Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is my Z06. It's a 2013 and I'm changing out the battery because some Jamocha put a Motorcraft battery, which I don't really care, but it's not powerful enough. It's only 500 cranking amps, and these cars need about 600 or better cranking amps. It's a big LS7 motor, high compression, so on and so forth. So I fought it for a while trying to just get the battery out, and it's not quite the right size to drop in and drop out. So I wanted to get this plastic thing off, and I did, and I'm going to show you how I did it. First thing is you've got to get this back trim piece off, and there's 6 different fasteners that you have to take. 2 of them are for the, oh come on, focus. I'm having a hard time getting a focus. I'm sorry guys and gals. Let's just call it good. 2 of these are for the cargo cover. 2 of them just kind of pop on. They're flat like that, and then 2 other ones pop in also, and they're smaller and they're flat also. So 6 of those come out. Gently take this out one end at a time, and don't bend it too much or you'll break it. The next thing I did was take this cover off to the battery tray, and it's got these kinds of little pegs. Oh, maybe I can get a flash going here. Let's see if that's better. It's got pegs that fit into this right here. So pry on that very gently or you're going to break it. Once you get that door off, that little door off, then there's one more thing. It's loose except for one more thing. The one more thing is this this fastener right here. And you also had to pry underneath it carefully and see how it comes off. This hole. One final thing, you have to get this clip out here. It's a little brassy colored clip, and there, right there, it slides through a hole in the plastic trim piece. So pop that up nice and easy so you don't break anything, and then you can take this whole thing that makes the hole smaller. This trim makes the hole small. You can take it right out of the way and you can get a little bigger battery in and out of there. Give me a thumbs up or a like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And see you later, guys and gals. Be safe. Have fun with your Corvette. Take care. Froggy out. Bye-bye. So I'm going to show you what I ended up with. This is a Walmart Max T5. T5 is the important part. T5 is the size, overall, length, width, height, location of the terminals, positive, negative, and all that. But it actually fits perfectly, and it's got, instead of 590, it's got 650 cold cranking amps, so it's more powerful than the GM original. Like I said, it fits perfectly, so I'm going to stick that in there, and it's like, not quite, but almost half the price of a GM replacement. So we'll see how it goes anyway. Dropped right in. Froggy out. Bye-bye. I'm going to put this back in. Sorry, this is an extension or a supplement to the video. I'm going to put this back in a little nicer than the way it came out. You remember it had that one brassy clip there, and that's it. I'm going to take a glue gun. I'm going to spot a couple of little pieces of glue gun glue on there, and also this stuff here, this carpet fits in these grooves here, and that one there, and that had some glue on it too, and it looks like glue gun glue, not real heavy duty stuff, but the lightest stuff that you can find. So I'm going to put that back a little nicer than the way it came out. Basically, they're kind of make a mess of this carpet stuff when they build them at the factory. So I wanted to find a place where I could put that glue gun down and not make a mess on the car and not catch fire. I don't think it gets that hot, so it could catch the cardboard on fire. But anyway, I'm just going to put a dab over here. I think that's kind of the loosest place, and it's a place where I can easily peel it off if I need to. Now the other brassy clip is already stuck on there, so I'm good there. And the battery's nice and tight. I am going to probably take this apart and put those, I like those little felt things, little green felt, a little red felt thing. They're anti, so the battery doesn't, I forget what you call it, but the battery doesn't get corroded at the terminals. But I'll be able to get at that without taking any of this apart. Just open the door. So let's put some glue down there. So that's all I wanted, just one dab right there. That'll harden up, and that'll just, just in case there's any rattles or anything from this plastic on plastic. Now I'm going to put a little bit, I think I'll put it down, I don't know, yeah, I'm going to put it down in those slots and then press this carpeting down into the slots. I'm going to do it that way. You know what fit exactly right to jam that in there where I glued it so that it would hold the two pieces together until the glue hardens was the battery I took out. So there you go. I guess is that karma? I don't know what that is. Post it down in the notes below. The thing that fit just right on the other side for that little bit that was sticking out of some ammo boxes. So heavy, and I could just box them together so that they were the right size. So now I just gotta wait for that glue to set up, probably like half an hour, I think, and then I can put some more of this back in. So the Bubba who took this piece out last time, this carpet piece at the back of a Z06 Corvette, bent it in the middle and broke it. So what I did was, I know that's the weak point anyway, because it's got a hole there for where the trunk or hatch latch goes through. But what I did was I cut a piece of license plate, aluminum, and hot glued it and clamped it. And I think that's probably going to be stronger when it dries out. It'll be stronger than the whole rest of the piece, because this is, God only knows what this is made out of, but it's looks like something recycled. And then it's got carpet glued to it. Anyway, a little extra tidbit for you there on how to repair some of these preformed panels, because this is a preformed upholstery panel inside a Z06 Corvette, but you could do that with any car. Okay?